Hi friends, welcome back to PER HOMEO. In this video, we are going to discuss the shock and homeopathic therapeutics. Coming to the definition of the shock, every cell needs the nutrition and at the same time there should be a removal of the waste products. For the cell nutritional needs and the excretory system, a main process needs a circulation. If the circulation fails, it leads to the shock. And it is also the shock is a peripheral circulatory failure which results in the decrease in the size and vascular bed and volume of the intravascular fluid. Coming to the type of shock, there is 5 types of shock. First one is hematogenic or hypovolemic shock, and second one traumatic shock, and third one neurogenic shock, and fourth one cardiogenic shock, and fifth one septic shock. Friends, coming to the clinical features of the hypovolemic shock, the clinical features vary in 3 degrees: mild shock, moderate shock, and severe shock. Coming to the mild shock, friends, when an injury occurs or through any means of there is a blood loss less than 20% in the over blood volume, there is a constriction of blood vessels in the skin. Then you observe the hands. The hands will appear as very sweat and forehead it sweat, and the hands looks like pale and cold, and the pulse rate and the blood pressure become normal. Friends, coming to the moderate shock, when there is a blood loss up to 20 to 40% in the blood volume, there is a oliguria and the pulse increased more than 100 beats per minute and blood pressure may increase. In this moderate shock, there is normal BP and pulse may change, may not be changed. We cannot consider it as main symptom. Coming to the severe shock, just observe the moderate shock symptoms are increased in the severe shock. There is a loss of blood volume more than 40% and the pallor, patient looks like pallor, and there is increased low urinary output and the rapid pulse and low blood pressure. Friends, coming to the traumatic shock, there is a presence of peripheral and pulmonary edema and there is a infusion of large volumes of fluid. Friends, coming to the neurogenic shock, the most important point you must remember is skin remains warm and pink and the urinary outputs may be normal in the neurogenic shock and the heart rate is rapid and the blood pressure is slow. Coming to the cardiogenic shock, friends, in the beginning the skin is pale and cool. In the neurogenic shock, there is a warm and pink. The urinary outputs are low and the pulse became rapid and the arterial blood pressure is low. And the 2 points you must remember is right ventricular dysfunction and left ventricular dysfunction. Coming to the right ventricular dysfunction, friends, the neck veins and the liver may also enlarge. In the left ventricular dysfunction, the patient has bronchial rales. Third heart sound is heard. Friends, the another shock is septic shock. Initially, in the septic shock, it develops a chill and there is a increased temperature above the 100 degrees Fahrenheit. In this, there are early warm shock and late cold shock. And from these clinical features, how we able to find the homeopathic remedies and the homeopathic therapies regarding shock, we will discuss in this.
Friends, one of the best homeopathic remedy is camphor for the shock. It is well indicated mainly in the surgical shock. When the patient with bad effects from the shock, especially through injuries, the patients appear as blue lips with livid and profuse prostration. The patient's body surface is cold to touch and there is a chillness, yet the patient cannot bear to cover through all over the body for the covering and entire body is painful and sensitive to touch. Are well indicated in the circulatory failure and there is a cramps and icy coldness of the limbs. Coming to the methods of the camphor, the patient with anxiety and the great fear of persons and darkness, and the patient goes into the state of ambiguity, and the modalities for the camphor are aggravated from motions, cold hair, night, and ameliorated when thinking of. Friends, another homeopathic best remedy is carbohydrate. The causation is from the loss of vital fluids, and that there is a great drain of the vital due to the profuseness of the discharges. And the major indications are there is body is cold to touch and pulse is intermittent, thread like rapid pulse and the cold breath, and eyes and cheeks are were sunken, and the blueness and coldness in the skin. This is a major indication, and the patient may be almost lifeless, but head is hot and coldness and breath to cool. Patient may collapse to the blood loss, and there is a confusion in the head. Coming to the modalities, aggravated at the evening, open hair and warmth.
Friends, the another best homeopathic remedy is paracetamol. Like the carbohydrate, here also there is a profuse diarrhea and vomiting. In the carbohydrate, there is a profuseness of discharges, loss of vital fluids. The indications from the Veratrum album is the rapid sinking of the vital force due to the complete prostration, and there is a collapsed condition, and the post-operative shock with the cold sweat on forehead, as we see in the clinical features in the shock, and the palpitation with anxiety, and the rapid audible respiration in this condition. The coldness and blueness and collapse and fainting and vomiting and diarrhea is the main features for the Veratrum album. The tonic spasm and cramps and the awake at night. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like and comment.